If you want to make changes to your WordPress site without experimenting directly on your live website, LocalWP gives you a safe place to do it. Local allows you to build and test WordPress right on your computer so you can try new plugins, switch themes, redesign pages, or make other changes without interrupting the site your customers are actually using. And when you're happy with the changes, you can move them over to your live site when you're ready. In this video, I'll show you how to install Local, set up WordPress on your computer, and get your private site ready to use. Let's get started. To get started, head over to localwp.com and click Download for free. I'm using Windows, so I'll select Windows, download the installer, and open it once it's finished. From here, just follow the installation prompts. I selected no here because I prefer to keep optional diagnostics reporting off, but it's completely a personal preference. You can choose yes if you're comfortable with sharing that information with Local. Once Local is installed, go ahead and open it. Now we can create our WordPress site. Click the plus sign in the bottom left corner and select Create a new site. Next, give your site a name. I'm calling mine Tutorial Master, but you can name yours whatever you want. Click Continue. For the environment, I'm going to leave this on Preferred and click Continue. Next, create the username and password you'll use to log into WordPress. You'll also enter an email address for your WordPress admin account. Once that's done, click Add Site. Local will take care of installing WordPress and setting everything up for us. If you see this missing host entry warning, don't worry. Your WordPress site was still created. Just click Fix It and allow Local to make Windows permission
Once your site is
changes.
ready, you'll see Open Site and WP Admin. Open Site lets you view the website, and WP Admin takes you to the WordPress dashboard. Let's click WP Admin and log in with the username and password we just created, and there we go. WordPress is now running directly on our computer. You'll notice the address ends in .local. This is our private site, so it isn't the website your customers or visitors are seeing online. From here, we're ready to start making changes and testing things out. If this helps, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.